Dessert cravings can happen any time of the day or even in the middle of the night. And when that strikes, it's time to make a quick and easy mug cake. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. And let's get started with a delicious Nutella chocolate chip mug cake. The best part about a mug cake is that it's super easy and all you need is a microwavable mug and some ingredients. So my first ingredient is some plain flour. I have a 400 ml cup over here or mug over here. In that I'm going to take 6 tablespoons of plain flour, two and a half tablespoons of castor sugar, pinch of salt, a big pinch of soda bicarb, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, let's give all these dry ingredients a good mix. If you want to make your mug cake healthy, I have a tip for you. Stay tuned till the end. Half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of my favorite Nutella. I just love it so much, I can just lick it out of a bowl or just eat it straight from a bottle any time of the day. Five to 6 tablespoons of milk, let's give this a good mix. Make sure there are no lumps. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of dark chocolate chips. I also have some white chocolate chips. Give it a mix. Just top with a few more white chocolate chips. And this is ready to go in the microwave for 2 minutes, and you might need 30 seconds extra, but just start with 2 minutes. Some more sprinkle of chocolate chips, there's never enough. Wait. And my mug cake is ready. I can't wait to dig in, so I'm going to go for it. Do try this at home, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. If you want to make your mug cakes even healthier, replace the plain flour with 6 tablespoons of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of rolled oats, and you can even add seeds of your choice.